Hi guys, my name is Kajal Shelar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to do a proper Maharashtrian lookbook, which is hair, makeup and outfit, and yeah, plus jewelry. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I am going with the hairstyle. So for that, I am going to section my hair in two parts. We are going to deal with the first section afterwards. So just tie a ponytail in the back, wherever you want, like how high or low you want the bun. According to it, you just tie a pony. After that, I'm using this bun. I have no idea what it's called, like proper name. So yeah, just do what I'm doing in the video, and then cover it with the hairs and just add another hairband and secure your hair. Now we are left with these two sections. You can do 4 sections, but I'm just going to keep them as it is. Now take one section and just twist it and wrap it around your bun and secure it with the bobby pin, and do it with the another section as well. Now we are going to work on the front section. I am taking some bangs out just to frame my face. Now just twist and turn, twist the hair and just secure it with the pin. And now for the bigger section, just take little bit hair at a time, twist them and then add some more, twist them, then add some more, twist them, then add some more, and just secure the hair in the back with pins. Take out some bangs to just frame your face, and that's it. Voila, you're good to go. Now I'm going to go in a makeup. So my skin is just prepped already. So I'm directly going with the primer. For primer, I'm using aloe vera gel, and for the foundation, I'm going with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. Just blend, blend, blend. Don't forget your neck as well, and just build in a little bit more if you want to. Yeah, that's it. Just blend. Then I'm going with the concealer under my eyes and a little bit on my mustache area, and yeah, eyelids as well, because I don't use any eye primer. So I use concealer as my eye primer. That's it. And I baked my face using loose powder because I love baking. Since I have a oily skin, so I like to bake, so it gives me a little bit matte finish. For eyes, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm just using a skin color shade all over my lid, and then I'm going with the brown shade in the outer corner. Just blend it properly. That's it, you're good to go. Now I'm just dusting off the loose powder of my face, and yeah, I applied a little bit on my nose also, nose bridge also. So yeah, just dust it off. Okay, now I'm using this metallic shimmery shade and applying it in the inner corner. Now I'm using the same fluffy brush I used for brown shade and just going in the lower lash line. Now I'm just applying the kajal. It is L18, and then black eyeliner, which is also L18. Now I'm going with the contouring. I like to use powder based contour. Yeah, a little bit of cheek contour and a little bit on my jawline. Yeah, now I'm going with the highlighter. I love highlighter. Oh, look at that glow. Yeah, just admiring myself in the mirror and in the camera as well. Now I'm going with the blush. I just don't like to use blush on apples of my cheek. I like to take it from the nose to my contour. So yeah, first I'm going in with the lip liner. Then I'm using this maroonish shade, and then I'm going with the pinkish shade, and after that I'm using loose powder to mattify the lipstick. This is the best trick ever. It does not only mattify the lipstick, it changes the color, so it you can use one shade in two different types. I'm not liking how matte it looks, so I'm going in with the highlighter again. I'm just applying a little bit on my lips, and yeah, that's it. I am all decked up in a Nawari sari, which is traditional Maharashtrian attire, and yeah, let me know in the comment section if you liked this video, and if you did, then please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that is kajal.relatable, and on Facebook as well. I will leave the link in description box below, so please check it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you soon. Bye.